getting ready to set up camp. There's a snowstorm on its way. As you see, the snow has just started. They are calling for an 1.5 inches per hour throughout the rest of today and tomorrow, with a total accumulation of about 18 inches. We'll see if we really get that much, but should be a good, fun night in the snow. All right, so we are trying to find a place to set up camp for the evening. Wind is supposed to be 10 to 20 miles per hour, so we'd like to have a fire. Trying to tuck away somewhere where we will be able to do that and not have too much wind. We made the decision to get off the hill and go down into this ravine. There's a nice little spot tucked in, and should be cozy for the night. All right, here we go down this huge hill. Yeah, I think I'll just sit on my ass because this isn't gonna work. I think the sled is heavier than I am. Whew. Here we go. And to top it off, it's lined with pricker bushes. Ouch! Yeah, how about that? Butt sliding. We made it. And my ass is frozen. Woo! And here we are. Nice little ravine. Whew, that was fun. And there is a nice little area right over there where I think we're going to set up camp for the evening. The thermometer says 14 degrees Fahrenheit. camp is set up. Look at that snow coming down. Can't wait to see how much there is by morning. I'm not going to lie, it is cold. Very difficult to set up a camp when you can't feel your fingers, but it's not too bad. It could be worse. Over here, our heat source for the evening. Nice warm fire. Feels like -5, it says. Because of the wind chill. The wind is picking up. And it's actually going to start warming up. I just came over and shook the snow off of my tent. It's a 3-season tent, so I don't want too much snow building up on there, making it collapse or anything. So keeping an eye on that. Getting ready to cook dinner. We have a nice bed of coals to cook over. And dinner tonight is going to be stuffed peppers. Yes, nothing like a nice warm cozy fire during a winter storm. A little bit of olive oil, peppers, cooking. Cooking nicely. Now I'm going to mix the vegetables. Mushrooms, onions, and put a little bit of butter in there, tiny bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. Added in some ribeye strips. Cook that up in with the onions and mushrooms. Italian seasoning in. Stir it up a little. Oh, that smells delicious. provolone on top. Dinner is just about done. All right, and dinner is served. Doesn't look the prettiest, but oh, it smells delicious.
Let them cool for a little bit, huh?
Yeah, we need to let them cool. Good thing the bears are hibernating. Oh yeah. Now that's comfort food on a nice stormy winter night. Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Pretty awesome, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. A little messy, but it's good. Look at the snow on that tent. Keep wiping the snow off so it doesn't collapse on me. So this is the Nemo Hornet. It's a 3-season tent. Not really meant to endure snowstorms, but I'm testing it to see how it does. Look at all the snow. Expecting another foot by morning. Can't wait to see how it holds up. And then Rich brought his HMG. This is a 4-season tent, so he should have no troubles with the snow. Rich is making us some hot toddies for dessert. Honey Jack, Zen tea, some lemon. Oh goodness, that's so good. Yes.
In fact, I could probably stand a little more. How many taste in it?
Load it up. Yeah, maybe put a little more in mine too. Keeping the fire going. We're gonna be warm tonight.
Oh yeah. Pretty warm already.
Yeah, it's actually warming up outside. Tarp came in handy tonight. Little bit of shelter from the wind anyhow.
No, it helped huge.
Yeah.
I thought just standing right here.
Kept it dry. Right. Yeah, that wind is brutal at times. All tucked in for the night. It's really not too bad listening to the snow falling constantly. Was sleeting a little bit. Pretty windy. Trees are crackling pretty good. 11 degrees Fahrenheit right now. You can see my breath. Yeah, I'm all cozied in and ready for bed. Can't wait to see how much snow is on the tent in the morning. You can hear it coming down. It's been pretty constant. I've got my 10-degree down bag, my Thermarest air pad, my Z pad, and I did put a liner in, and I've got a nice down coat. So should keep me pretty toasty warm tonight. I don't foresee any issues with staying warm. A couple hot hands in my sleeping bag, that always does the trick. So, good night, peace out. You can hear the snow falling still. It's been nonstop since we got here. I had to clean my tent off about probably 6 times already, so I can't wait to see what I wake up to in the morning. It's coming down pretty good now. The wind has been relentless all night. So yeah, they're saying 14 to 18 inches by tomorrow. Look at this snow. It's a little bit cramped in here. I got up a few times throughout the night and shook the tent from the inside trying to keep it off, but once I fell asleep, look at this. There is a lot of snow on the tent. Good morning. I survived the snowstorm. Look at this. I can't get over how much snow. Look at that. I can't wait to open that door. I'm going to need a shovel for sure. But yeah, that was pretty intense. It went from a fine, sleety snow to a thick, heavy, fluffy snow. So it's very heavy. I did get up a few times during the night and shake the tent off from the inside by hitting it to try to keep it from building up too much. However, once I fell asleep, yeah, we got a lot of snow. When you touch the walls, it is pretty wet. Look at that snow. But overall, it was a good night. Lots of fun. I had to get up a couple times because I was too hot. Took a layer off, unzipped my sleeping bag. I think the snow keeps it warmer in here, but there's no air circulating, and that's why there's so much condensation. All right, the door is opened, and look at that snow. I've got to pull my shovel out and try to unzip and get out of here without snow falling in. This should be good. Here's my shovel. Oof, that's heavy. You can see the snow. Let's see if we can push that. See all that snow coming off? Oh, it's heavy. I think I'll put my boots on before I try to attempt getting out of here. Okay, I'm going to attempt to get out of my tent. If I can find the zipper. Oh boy, here it goes. Oof, it is still snowing. Look at that. What a beautiful day. It's a winter wonderland. Getting a fire going. It actually warmed up to about 28 degrees today so far.
Oh, is it 28?
Yeah. So, perfect conditions right now. Not too cold. Comfortable. One last look at the inside of the tent before we take it down. As you can see, with the snow covering it, there's not a lot of room around you.